Humihingi ka ba o binibigyan ng tip ng bad mo tungkol sa panliligaw?
Panliligaw!
Bawal pa ba?
Ano to? Siyempre naman, kung itatanong ko siya kung may mga tips. Kasi, alam niyo naman, tago mo lahat. Lang, siguro, if I go... wag na lang sabihin. Okay, no naman, if I have, if I have a date naman, to tell me, ganito, pero nothing serious naman. She always tells me na lang, be yourself talaga, just be yourself, enjoy, have fun.
Of course, you are aware of how much a heartthrob your dad was in the past.
Yeah.
Do you talk about that and what tips does he give you now na you're on that?
Kaya nga, ito nga, yung tatay ko kasi sinasabi niya na, Andres, dapat gawin mo to, dapat gawin mo ganito. Tapos yung palagi kong sinasabi ay, Tay, dad, gumagana lang yan para sa'yo kasi superstar ka. Diba? Pero ano to, wala, it's just the same, it's just biro-biro lang, funny.